So if you've been thinking about joining Kajabi, 2021 is hands down the year to do it. I've been on Kajabi now for, I think, about a year and a half. It's been incredible in so many ways. It's been so good for my business. I've made a lot of videos on it, and I've talked about the benefits of it. I want to show you the idea to income challenge and show you how you can get 45 days free on the platform using my link, which is in the description below and it's pinned in the comments. And you'll be able to get free exclusive training from Kajabi, as well as the benefits that I always offer to my Kajabi affiliates. Full disclosure, this is an affiliate link. What that means is that at no additional cost to you, I do get a small commission if you go on to be a paying Kajabi customer, but there's no additional cost to you. And honestly, you can find the 45-day free trial using someone else's link. If you'd rather not support me, that's fine. But if you get value from this channel, then it does support me when you use my link. So I appreciate it quite a bit. So what is the Idea to Income Challenge? Basically what the Idea to Income Challenge is, it's a 45-day training where they take you through how to start making money on this platform. One of the coolest things about this is that in 45 days, you actually have time to get a product up and start making money before you ever pay for Kajabi, which is pretty cool. So what is it? So they say 2020 was challenging. Yes, it was. In 2021, it's time to choose a challenge for yourself. You face plenty of unique challenges in your life. Your knowledge has value. Will this be the year that you finally take your knowledge, your skills, and your passions and put them into a profitable digital product? Kajabi is throwing down this challenge. Bring your idea and your entrepreneurial grit, and we'll show you a simple, repeatable, step-by-step system you can follow to turn your idea into income. Very simple. And I'm telling you, I've done this to the tune of tens of thousands of dollars using Kajabi. And also, I want to point this out. If you use my link, which is in the description below, lanesebring.com/Kajabi, once you sign up for Kajabi and become a paying customer, email me and I'll send you my $25,000 email system. Basically, the exact emails that I used to do a couple of launches that earned me $25,000. 3 launches to be exact. Kajabi is throwing down this challenge. We'll also help you along the way, like we've helped thousands of entrepreneurs with video training, live check-ins, and bonus expert content from successful entrepreneurs on Kajabi. And we'll give you the tools you need to get your business up and running, no charge, with a 45-day free trial. All right, so let's look at what the Idea to Income Challenge includes. The first one, Module 1, pricing your offer. During this module, you'll focus on creating your digital product. You'll get step-by-step guidance as you build the product, upload a video, and create an offer. That's very, very cool. So they're going to actually walk you through step-by-step how to do this. Module 2, you'll go into packaging your offer. The focus of this module is creating your sales flow. With the guidance of your success team, you'll build a sales page and create a form to capture leads. This is really invaluable because they're going to be walking you through not only how this tool works, how Kajabi works, but how to actually build a digital product that you're going to sell. And then module 3, launch your offer. In this module, you'll learn how to successfully launch your product and make your first sale when you build an email list, send an email broadcast, and start earning money from your own online business. The Idea to Income Challenge is 100% free to join. The challenge starts on January 16th. So as I am making this video, today is January 8th. So this window is going to close soon, and then the challenge actually starts on January 16th. So if you're thinking about Kajabi at all, if you're considering this, today is the day. You got nothing to lose. You might as well try 45 days free on Kajabi. I'm here to help. I'm going to give you my $25,000 email templates to get started as well once you become a paying member of Kajabi using my link. So I'm here to cheer you on. I can't wait to see what you do in your online business in 2021. Let me know below what questions you have, and I'll see you in the next video.